In this lesson, I will explain to you a few more features of Power BI. As you know that we have imported our data, I have added few more managers here and few more salesperson here. On the basis of this table, I have made this dashboard. Now I am going to add one more page. So see, this is the plus sign. Just click here. So this is our new page. If you want to rename this page, there are 2 or 3 different ways. The first way is just double click and you can write down the name. Other way is right click and then rename it, which I will show you in the next lesson. So here I am going to write down sales. Suppose my this page name is sales, and I am going to make a graph of manager and sales here. So far I did not select any visualization tools here. That is why you can see only the table is here. When I will click on the visualization, whatever you want, if you want to show your audience your result in the form of pie chart, cluster chart, whatever, just click here. I'm going to apply the cluster chart here. And these are the handles. With the help of these handles, you can increase or decrease the size of this chart. The best way to show to your audience, if you want to show only one chart, so what you have to do, this is the square. When you will click here, it says focus mode. Click on the focus mode, it will adjust on your screen, so you can see easily the name of the managers and their sales. If you want to go back, so back to report, it will go to the undo position. So this is the redo and undo. So again, if I will click on the focus mode, it will come back, it will adjust in the screen. The other features are, you can see the 3 dots are here. Open these dots. So there are different options. First is the export, show data, remove. Remove. If I will click on the remove, this will remove from the screen. I'm not going to remove it. Export data, I will show you at the end. But here I'm going to click on show data. If you will click on the show data, you will see the graph is here as well as our data is also here in the form of a table. Again, if you want to go back, so same thing, back to report, click here, and from more focus mode, it will adjust in your screen. Open this 3 dots again, and this is the sort descending order, ascending order. So now it is in the descending order. Fatma has the highest sale, so this is the highest sale, then Salman, Manahil, and so on. If you want to show your data in the ascending order, so click here. So our data will convert in the ascending order. Dawn has the lowest sale, then Ahmad, Ash, and so on. Again, I am going here. I will show you what is the meaning of this export data. If you want to export your data, only data related to this graph, which is in this case is manager and sales. If you want to export to an Excel, then you have to click on export data. And see, here is whatever name you want. I will just remove this dollar, and where you want to save it, I'm going to save on my USB. So this one, and Power BI sales by manager, I'm going to save it here. If you want to show your data related to this graph to your audience, so what you have to do, go to your USB and wherever you have saved your data, I have actually saved on my USB, so I will show you here. This is Power BI open sales by manager. So only data related to that graph we have exported in our Excel file. So it is going to open now. I will show you the data related to, these are the managers, these are the sales, right? So what you have learned here, we have learned different options. The most important thing is if you want to export your data, you can export it into the Excel file, right? So practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.